Dear students, in previous video we studied about art of Gupta period and cave architecture. Now we will start new topic temple architecture and chariot temples. Dear students, grand and beautiful carving on stones and beauty of architecture are the specific qualities of that Indian temples. These Indian temples are famous worldwide. Indian rulers were art lovers, especially rulers of Mauryan era and South Indian rulers, constructed many great temples that are in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Among them, chariot temples is very important. Let's study some specific qualities of chariot temples. The Rath Chariot temple is a distinct from of temple architecture. In the southern part of India, these were built by the rulers of the Pallava dynasty. Each temple is a single rock cut temple carved out by a single rock, means there is no joint in these temples. Kailash Nath and Viru Vaikunt Perumal at Kanchi are the best example of the style of architecture. The biggest among the seven chariot temples are named after Yudhishthir, the eldest brother among Pandavas, and the smallest after Draupadi, the wife of Pandavas. Now let's study about temple architecture. The practice of building temples as the places of worship started during the Gupta period. Several of these temples were built on high pedestal and pinnacle. Pinnacle is the uppermost part of the temples with a ladder to go on the upper story. However, many temples are on flat surface with pradakshina or parikrama path encircling the garbhagriha, the inner post part of the temple. The specimen of these temples architecture are Bumara Shiv temple near Jabalpur and Larkhan temple in Bijapur district. Beside the temple architecture, these had intricate sculpture work too. The copper statue of Lord Buddha in Nalanda and the idols of the Jain Tirthankars and the Jain temple at Mathura are unique specimens of architecture and sculpture. Dear student, the Pallava kings constructed a number of temples in Kanchi, whereas King Rajaraja of the Chola dynasty built 200 meters high Brihadeshwar temple. These temples are of great cultural heritage of India. Next topic is architecture of Gopuram. Gopuram means grand entrance gate. This was the identity of the temples built during Pandya rulers of South India. These gates were highly decorated and symbols of outer part of the temples. Grand Gopurams of Kanchi and Madurai can attract every art lover and they can realize the beauty of these grand Gopurams. Hello dear students. Here you can see the architecture of Gopuram. First of all, in this picture, you can see the beauty of Gopuram, place of Gopuram, Mandap, grand hall on pillars, Garbhagriha, innermost part of the temples where idols are kept, and Viman and Shikhar too. There are some other temples that are built during this era. The Sun Temple of Konark is in Odisha, which is one of the form of chariot temples. Brihadeshwar Temple of Tanjavur has 13 stories that is situated in Chennai. Gopuram, metallic and stone idols of this age have special characteristic features. Bronze statue of Nataraj is the best example of idol sculpting of that time. Chola temples have their own splendor in age in the field of art and architecture. Meenakshi temple that is also situated at Madurai located at Tamil Nadu is dedicated to goddess Meenakshi, wife of Lord Shiva, has four main gopurams. From the architectural point of view, it is a wonderful temple. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandera rulers of Bundelkhand. Chandera rulers built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. The style of pinnacle means uppermost portion of the temple varies from other. Khajuraho temple are the finest examples. Next topic is Jain temples Derasar. With the spread of Jain religion in different parts of India, its followers built many splendid derasars, temples for the worship of their 24 Tirthankars or deities. In Bihar, at Rajgriha, there are five famous Jain temples: Vaibhar, Vipulachal, Ratangiri, Udagiri, and Shrimangiri. Siddha Kshetra, place of pilgrimage, Samat Shikharaji is also in Bihar. It is also known as Madhuvan. It is believed that Adeshwar Bhagwan and 20 other Tirthankars attained nirvana here. There are temples of Abhinanath and Pashwanath Bhagwan. It is believed that Bhagwan Mahavir visited this place. A number of Jain Munis, monks attained moksha here. A number of Jain temples are at Palitana and Shankheshwar. Jain temples at Dilwara, Mount Abu, and Ranakpur in Rajasthan are requisite specimen of architecture, artistic carving and sculpture. Jain temples are famous all over the world for their sculpture and architecture. Now let's take new topic, Sun Temple of Modera. Dear students, there are only few sun temples in India. Among them Modera Sun Temple, also built in the form of chariot temple. The Surya Mandir Sun Temple of Modera is in Mehsana district in North Gujarat. This temple was built in the year 1026 during the reign of Solanki King Bhimdev I. The entrance gate on the east side of the temple was constructed in such a way that the first rays of the sun directly entered the Garbhagriha, where the main idol is kept, sanctum, and fall on the gem-studded crown of the sun god. Thereby, the entire sanctum is lit up and a divine atmosphere is created. 12 idols of sun god have been sculpted outside the sanctum. Carving of this temple is done as per Iranian school of art. There are 180 small temples in the surroundings area. The Deep Prajwalan at the time of Aarti in the morning and evening creates divine situation which is a pleasant sight. Dear students, in next video we will study about the medieval architecture. Thank you.